So this is my outfit. We gotta represent where we come from. What? Imagine people looking at me and like, oh, I like your hairstyle. You're lying. I look like fucking Beetlejuice. I don't like it. It's like fucking flying all over the place. You need to say the truth. If you're like, oh, this one is not a hit. This one is a miss. Wagwan, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing, and subscribe. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Look, my eye is getting better. It looks better and it feels so better. Wow. It looks better. Yeah, I don't have to convince you. I know it looks better and it feels better. Don't worry about the head cough. I just got up. I don't even rise out the bed yet, but I have to give thanks and to check in my plans for today. Now I'm gonna rise, look some breakfast, start cooking because today is Carnival. All road leading to Notting Hill Carnival for the day. So that's my plan. So you know where I'm gonna see you. Is either when I'm getting ready or I see you down the carnival. So see ya. So this is the look for Carnival. It's a dress. Let me show you. With my Jamaican flag. Move up my way. Me, I'm my day. Hey. And guess what? I see you at Carnival. So yesterday when I went to Carnival, most people were representing Jamaica. Most people have a Jamaican t-shirt and a Jamaican flag. I love it, but I want to know, how did Jamaica take over Carnival? We're known for reggae. I mean, Carnival was like Trinidad, I think Grenada, Antigua. But most people were representing Jamaica. It's a good look for Jamaica, but how did that happen?
Don't worry, girls. You have a couple places. I like
maybe just something like rum.
But like, because those people actually they and they will make volumes of them when they catch you. Hannibal chemists. Actually, I don't think it's to do with that because they're
All roads lead to Carnival.
in the carnival?
Yeah.
Oh my, how was it?
So good.
Weed everywhere, huh?
You don't smoke.
Hey guys, one. See, I made it to my friend's living room. I was a bit late, but better late than never. And this is my fit. We're having a good time. We're playing games and stuff like that. Anyway, let me use this door. And I'll see ya.
I'm here. I'm now.
Ask Italian. I've never given anyone.
Hey guys, what do you think about my new hairstyle? This is the style that I finessed up yesterday. I like the poofiness. I'm not sure about the hair type, but you know what? I'll do it again because I just like it. And look, side note, my eye. If you watched the video, my video before this one, you see how the glue irritated my eye, but it's getting better. Anyway, just got back in from my 2 engagements today. First, I went to Carnival. I've never been to Carnival on a Sunday. I only always go on the bank holiday Monday, but I must say the Sunday is, I like it. It's not too it's crowdy, but not too crowdy like on a Monday. And no trouble, nothing at all. I did enjoy myself thoroughly. And I hurried back home, wash again, had a quick bath. When I said wash, a quick bath, not bath, shower. Went to my mate's Aravan leaving dinner. I didn't catch the dinner, but we did hang out in a games room and had some drinks. And when I went there, everyone was leaving, but I did enjoy what we did and seeing everyone outside of work. It was good. So now I've got to have another shower. I had about 3 showers today. So have another shower, prepare myself for bed. Because guess what? It's work in the morning. That's why I can't go Carnival on bank holiday Monday. I have to grind for the money. But the thing, all day today, my left leg is cramping, and I know why it's cramping. It's because I didn't drink enough water today. And the reason I didn't drink enough water is because when I'm at Carnival, I don't want to go use those toilets because they are disgusting. But I'm gonna catch up on my water, catch up on my sleep, take off this makeup. So guess what? My Sunday is over. So tomorrow is Monday. So guess what? I'll see ya. You be good. Be good. And I'll see you when I'll see you. Morning guys. What? Happy Monday. It's a bank holiday for us. That means a public holiday. And while everyone's going to party, Janet is going to work. But listen, if they get work out of me, kudos to them, because I'm running on like 2 hours sleep. I am so tired. But I have to go and do something. And then I'll come on home and try to upload my Carnival video. That would be next. And I think the Carnival one will come out before this one. I know, man. I'll check in later. I'll see you later. You have a good day, evening, wherever you are. I don't know. When it's a bank holiday, every place should be closed. Retail, shop, everything. I don't know. People have to get up and go to work. Like, they can't just close the place. If it's a public holiday, it should be public to everyone. Not some people work and some people don't work. Sure. Can't tell you. I know we have to work to pay the bills, but come on, one day won't kill nothing. Because you see, back home in Jamaica, when it's a public holiday, it is a public holiday. Everything is closed. But no, sir. Not this a country where we run to come. We have to work. What I say? Work. I'm thinking we at church. Anyway, let me go catch my bus. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday today. So my plans for today, I'm going supermarket now. Then I'm going to the supply store to get something to drill my wall, because I'm doing some renovation. And then I'm gonna go to the hair supply shop. And what else? And I think that's about it for today. So how y'all doing? Listen, yesterday when I went to work, I was so tired. I was so tired that I did something that I said I would never ever do. I fell asleep on the bus. No, I didn't pause my stop, but I was so deep into sleep that my bag fell out my hand, and I didn't know. It was the lady beside me touched me. And a man picked up my bag. Even my phone fell. The phone fell in my lap. It was crazy. I was so tired. I was knocked the L out. So that's for me running all over the place on Sunday because I went 2 places. But it is what it is. So anyway, let me start my day. I hope you all are okay. And you know you should do the thing. I don't have to tell you, innit? See you later. Hey. I've been so busy today. As I did like log in early this morning, but now it's been the afternoon and I went to get my nails done. I got a little bit of diamond for your diamond. Oops, stable. There, the boy, he gave me a little cut on my finger by accident over here. That's why he gave me the diamond. I said just one finger because you know this girl can't take change. And when I went to the hair shop, I like the style, but I don't like the hair, the texture of the hair. Although it looks natural, which not bad. It do the thing. Anyway, my day was super busy. And it's hot too. And I'm in this jumper because guess what? This girl never knows it was going to be so hot. So let me just derobe. I did cook before I went to the nail shop anyway. So I'm going to have my dinner. Put my backside on the sofa. Eat my dinner first before I have a bath. I'm just checking in and telling you what's going on my Tuesday, which is not much. Anyway. See you later. Hi guys, wagwan, happy Friday. I want to come in here and close off the vlog properly. It's Friday, but I'm just coming from work, so I did work Thursday and did work today. I'm gonna take out this hair because I can't be bothered with it no more. It's like, you know, when you think of a style in your head and then when you execute it, it doesn't go like planned. But you know what? It is what it is. I'm gonna take out this here, find something to eat, and skiddy water. Yeah, so listen to this, yeah. I went to Zara and I saw these shorts for £3.99. I have the shorts inside. I can't bother to go get it. And then when I put it in the self-checkout, it says $5.99. I'm like, it says $3.99, so why should I pay $5.99? So I went and got a staff and I said, could you change the price please, because it's coming up wrong price. She said, oh sorry, but we can't change it, somebody make a mistake. I'm like, sorry, that's not my problem. I didn't make the mistake. It says $3.99, that's why I'm buying it. I said, could you go get a manager please? And the manager came and had to change it. But what would you do? Would you pay the $5.99 or would you pay the price that it says on the item? Because that's not me. Anyway, you know what to do. Leave a comment and press the like button. And I'll see you in the next vlog. So see ya.